My name is Dave Wilbur. I'm going to tell you a little bit about how a Personos tool could be used for prospect management and collaboration between volunteers, staff members, all the folks involved in the donor prospects at USF. And what you're seeing here is a computer science alumni group page. So these people have been added by researchers or in the proposed site, and you see John Witchel and Alberto Yepes, Teresa Wynn, Nancy Montañez, Colin Bean, and Alfred Chuang. And of course below you see articles that the team has posted in here. So the collaboration comes as each team member posts items. This group grows and you can kind of see what's going on. You can also click on this button. Well, I've already got an alert set, but if I take it off, I can click on the Add Alert button. Once I do that, anytime a team member adds an article to this group, I'll get an email and I can then come check and see what's going on. So that's a way to kind of tickle the volunteers and let them know that something's going on with folks. Of course, you can click on a particular person's page. So if I could click on Alfred, I'm going to see the things that have been posted about him. And, maybe I can learn more about his interests or what's going on with his companies. There's a YouTube video that's been posted about Alfred that you could check out and you get a little more understanding for the interests and position of the folks that might be on your list of prospective donors. You can also put people into various groups. Basically, you're tagging them into groups. So Alfred's in a number: the general alumni group, a computer science alumni group I was showing you earlier, a group of CEOs that are affiliated with USF but have been CEOs in some time. And these are just the folks that have been added to this by your team members. So I can easily edit this group, and let's say I wanted to add Dave Wilbur, who's an aspiring CEO. That's myself, and I could click him, and now I'm in this group, and there I am. I'm going to take myself out, and that's just about as easy. Just come down and find myself and remove myself from the group. And so anyway, kind of tagging people into groups and taking them out is a extremely easy process with our kind of Web 2.0 tools for doing such things. You can also create a new group very easily. So let's say you want to have a group for people involved with immersion projects. You could just type in the name. You could say Alums involved with immersion projects as the description, and just create it. And in this case, there's already one of these groups, so I'm going to call this one Immersion Projects involving alums. I'll create it, and now we have this new group. And once again, I can click Edit, and certainly Alberto Yepes is very involved with these kinds of immersion projects. Teresa Wynn, and very quickly, I've created this listing of all the items that have been collected about folks on immersion projects. And this can be, if some team member on your in the advancement team, if this is their job, they could kind of moderate this group and keep an eye on it. I'm going to go back to the main page, and one of the key features of the Personos site is you can easily post web resources to it. So I'm going to do a little research here. So I'm Googling someone right now to learn more about them before I go out on a sales call. And John Witchel is a computer science alum, and I can go to his LinkedIn page or find these various links. But this one looks pretty interesting. And in fact, this is an article saying that John has left Prosper, his former company. So I think this might be of interest to the team. So all I have to do is click on what this is called a browser button or a bookmark button. When I click it, the system's very smart about grabbing the URL, grabbing the title, and it also even scans the document and finds John Witchel. I can also kind of explicitly add people if I want to. In this case, I'm not really referred to in the article, so I'm not going to do that. When I click save, the article is automatically posted to a couple different places. The home page, and I see I've already posted this one, so I'm going to actually delete this last one. But the article also gets posted to other places automatically. The system takes care of organizing it. So it's on John's page, and if I go to any of his groups, it's also going to be in those groups. So people tracking a group will see all the articles for any of its members. And without having to go to various different web pages to make that change, the system kind of lets you do it very easily, and it can really help with the organization of your people database. So anyway, that's a quick demo of how Personos might be used for prospect management.